Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. My name is Michelangelo Armatas, and welcome to the video presentation of group number 11. So today, we will be tackling all about our topic, which is all about biotechnology. So, first and foremost, the main objectives of this report will be to discuss what is biotechnology, to elaborate genetically modified organisms, and to discuss the importance of genetic modification, and also to state and discuss the following benefits and hazardous effects of biotechnology. So, with that being said, what is biotechnology means again? So, biotechnology has a root word bio, which means life, techno, which means tools, logos, which means the study of. So combined, this literally means the study of tools from living things. So that is biotechnology means. Gets? So now, biotechnology, well, it is the utilizations of organisms or part of organisms or any biological process for the benefit of mankind. For example, we know how bread is made, right? So, the dough is added with organisms like yeast, which help on releasing certain chemicals. So, ang the reactions will give us ultimately soft and fluffy loaf of baking. So, do this means that ang pagbuhat or pag-bake is already considered as part sa biotechnology? Well, kind of. Kay processes like fermentation is already considered as a classical biotechnology, as again they include the utilizations of organisms. So, again, brewing and baking bread are already examples of processes that fall into the concept of biotechnology. So, thus, obtaining products for human benefit, like as we are all aware of, such as food items, medicines, hybrid crops, and so on, are already all possible because or due to the help of biotechnology. So that is how important biotechnology is. No. So, applications of biotechnology. So, since biotechnology is so broad, we have medical biotechnology. So, again, diagnostics, therapeutics, vaccines. So, biotechnology already helped that kind of fields. So, agricultural biotechnology. So, such as plant agricultural, farms, food processings, and environmental biotechnology, so such as cleaning through bioremediations, preventing environmental problems, and so on. So forensics, so biotechnology, we have paternity test and scientific investigations such as drug test or etc. So industrial biotechnology, energy productions such as new materials. So, moving on, genetically modified organisms. So, what is genetically modified organism or GMOs? So, a GMO or genetically modified organism is a living plant, animal, or microorganism that has been subjected to biotechnology. So, any sorts of living things daw or organisms that is influence or na-impluensya na sa mga biotechnology is considered as genetically modified organisms, no? So, GMO developers use biotechnology to alter that living organism fundamental characteristics. So, biotechnology includes techniques such as using synthetic genetic sequences to change the organism's genetic material, like DNA or RNA. So, deoribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid, or forcing the combinations of very unrelated organism that would not normally reproduce in nature. So, when biotechnology is applied to a living organism, the result is GMO. So, mo itong ingon ganiya. While GMOs are used across many industries, the non-GMO projects areas of concerns are food, personal care products, and animal feed. So, mo na siya. Some examples of GMOs includes corn, so containing bacterial genes that cause the plant to produce an insecticide. So these are the examples of GMOs, so such as golden rice. So rice modified with daffodil genes to have more beta carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. So as we all know, vitamin A is rich on tawag nito. Beta carotene is a red, again, orange colored pigment which is converted into vitamin A in the human body, no? So it is rich of as we all know, the importance of vitamin A is it is most essential for the development and maintenance of good eyesight or vision. So vitamin A is for good vision. So next will be flubs or tomatoes. So tomatoes modified by the removal of genes responsible for the softening of fruit, meaning the tomatoes spoil more slowly, or dugay daw siya ma lata or madaot. So mura siya carboro pero in terms tomatoes. So next is BT corn. So corn modified with a bacterial insecticide, so muna genes so that produce insect toxins within its cells, protecting it from pest species. So muna siya sa mga crops, no, mga spray ni siya mga insecticide so that dili kayo madaot tayon tungod sa mga insekto ang mga products or crops farming. So aqua advantage salmon. So this is also a kind of GMO, which is a salmon modified with growth hormone, regulating genes in order to grow to market sizes in significant less time. So ano siya, advantage po na siya, which is more kwan siya sa marketplace kay against competitions of any other businesses na siya. So mas dali mutubo ang isda, mas dali maka-gain o kita ang mga business fishmongers or mga fish vendors, no, or mga producers ana nga type nga species sa isda, no. So mara siya ang advantage sa aqua salmon. So next is glow in the dark animals such as mo na makita nimo. So animals modified with genes for fluorescent proteins will glow in the dark. This novel feature serves no practical purpose, so char lang siya aron nindot tanawon or cute tanawon ng isa ka hayop. So as we all know sa picture, no, so mabase sa picture. So sa golden rice, if normal is plain white lang siya. If added of kung maadan or with the influence of biotechnology, mo na siya ang result, GMO o golden rice. And then as you can see sa tomatoes, normal dali ra malata. Pag add og GMO means dugay malata and flourish smooth kita na ng tomatoes. Then next is ang corn. Ang corn is dugay siya. If ang normal makunag insekto, so dali ra madaot. And kung maadan siya og biotechnology or i-modified siya into a new organism, dugay siya madaot. And then kani, look at the size difference sa normal salmon, ano. Sa normal salmon is gamay jud kayo siya, pero kung ada nimo og i-modified mo siya into GMO, dali jud siya, prone to market profit or mas dali jud ka makakwarta kung dagko ang imong isda, no. So next is glow in the dark. Normal is dili siya mo siga. If add kwan, more on aesthetic, mas cute na ng earring. So mo na siya ang genetically modified organisms. So in short, Every living thing on Earth is made up of cells. Again, cells use information stored in genetic material to perform functions essential to creatures' life cycles. In this way, genetic materials impact how organisms appear, grows, lives, and die by providing the building blocks of life, which is the deoxyribonucleic acid. So DNA is housed inside delicate and complex cells, protected from external forces that can be damaged or destroyed it and harm the organism. So because of this, protective structures altering genetic material without harming the organism is very difficult to accomplish. So that is why GMO developers use biotechnology, no, techniques to bypass cells' natural protective mechanisms without destroying the organism itself. So biotechnology can be used to create genetic sequences that have never before occurred in nature, producing organisms that have never been part of the human diet. So, mo to siya, no? The importance of GMO. Again, that is all for my topic. Thank you very much for listening. The next reporter will be on his way to report another topic. So, thank you for listening. God bless.
So, good morning everyone. For the continuation, I will discuss the benefits of biotechnology. But before that, I will first discuss what is biotechnology. So, biotechnology is a branch of science in which living things are used to make new products. It is the use of living organisms or processes to make products useful for mankind, or it improves human health and society. Before I will continue, I will first discuss the brief history of biotechnology, or these are some of the notable inventions or mga panghitabo in biotechnology. So, this slide show the timeline of biotechnology from 1951 to 2001, from the human cells line na discovered to human genome sequence in drug from by the Human Genome Project and Celera Genomics. So, mao ni siya ang brief history sa biotechnology. So, here are the factors na maapektuhan or makabenefit sa developments of biotechnology. So, first we have medicine. In the field of medicine, biotechnology is widely used in the development of several innovative techniques for diagnosing, treating, and preventing diseases. It helps in providing effective treatments and prevention measures for different diseases through its inventions of novel drugs and recombinant vaccines. The ability of therapeutic and vaccines to treat and prevent diseases has been well documented. Biotechnology has been central to these advances, progressively offering the ability to make more complicated medicines and vaccines, opening up the treatment and prevention of broader set of diseases. So here are some of the examples. So first is medicinal biotechnology, a branch of medicine that uses living cells and cell materials to research and then produce pharmaceutical and diagnosing products. Next is the vaccines. It plays pivotal role in vaccine development. Through biotechnology, they had created the vaccine as a rapid response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Next is gene therapy, a genetic engineering technique used to cure diseases and or it will help a person with genetic defect. Through the help of biotechnology, drugs and medicine